In fact, this lady called Genevieve is so intelligent, beautiful, hardworking. Everything good comes from this young, promising lady. Welcome to Linda's TV show. If it is your first time of stopping by or coming across my YouTube channel, my dear good friend, you are highly welcome. Please, I beg you for a favor. Click on that red button that says subscribe. Beside the red button is a notification bell, so that anytime or day I upload a new video, you will be the first person to check it out. So guys, before I proceed, I would like to introduce this beautiful young lady. This is Genevieve Nnaji. She is one of the veterinary Nollywood star actress. Yes, Genevieve started acting very early, and today she have made name for herself. She's a producer, she's a scriptwriter, she's a singer, and she is a movie director. Yesterday, she dropped this note for the president, an actress, a woman, telling a whole president of a country what he should do, the things he needs to put together for the safety of his citizens, and how the country will move forward. We will read it together, although it's tiny, but I'm going to try as much as I could. If I make mistake, just bear with me. Genevieve wrote an open letter to Mr. President Muhammadu Buhari. My niece was harassed by SARS for carrying a laptop. Her own laptop. She was slapped across the face for simply asking why her laptop was being seized. At only 13, she had to, deal with police brutally. Complaints were made and nothing was done. No one is spared and we are all affected. Mr. President, this is current state of your country. The stability of a nation is largely dependent on leadership, and every head of house has one chance to build their legacy. Sir, we have had to. What our country is today is a reflection of your leadership, your legacy. I am getting worried and tired of being optimist about change, but even then I can't complain. I am one of the privileged few, but that doesn't mean that I get to give up now. So I will speak, sir. So this is what she wrote. I think she was referring to the situation of the SARS, what the SARS are doing in Nigeria. A lot of celebrities has been condemning it, and myself, I asked this question before in my previous video where I said, what is the function of the SARS? What is their job? If there happens to be security, security is meant to protect the life of the citizen and not to abuse the citizen. And I don't know the aim of the SARS. We have the police. Nigeria have a lot of securities, and yet the country is not secured. You can imagine that. So Genevieve, like you read with me, she said her niece was harassed. Just begin. Oh God. A country where freedom of movement and speech is not being guaranteed because a young lady is walking along the road with her own laptop, and the laptop was being seized by the SARS, and she asked a question. They just slapped her. Is this fair? Is this act fair? Anyway, we are going to continue. Here she wrote, we would have less crime if we had more job opportunities. Criminals would be fewer and easier to catch. The police need to be our friend and not our enemy. We need law enforcement to work with us and not against us. Contrary to what you may believe, Mr. President, contrary to what lazy, we are underutilized. We are not lazy, we and go, but we, the people, will remain. We will survive, we will always have, but we won't forget right now. your administration is standing in the way of our survival. If the country is unwilling to be great, the least you can do is let us be great by ourselves. Mr. President, you are the commander-in-chief I plead with you to command your troops to stand down. Sincerely, Genevieve Nnaji. Look at this wonderful write-up from this wonderful actress, an intelligent one. The lady is very, very reserved and very, very intelligent. She doesn't talk anyhow. For Genevieve to come out to speak like this simply means that things are really going bad. And a lot of people will see it, they will keep quiet just because they don't want to talk. Just because they don't want people to say, oh, this person said this. She doesn't give a damn. She speaks her mind, which is the truth. We are going to continue. It's not yet finished. So the last one she wrote, Mr. President, it is time to lead. I remain saddened by the fact that my country is only an incubator for greatness and not a habit. The world is clearly moving on with or without us. What will your legacy be when it's all said and done? I aspire for mine to leave a mark and not a scar. I urge you to speak to us because we are not mind readers. Your house is not in order and way far from stable. The people aren't being empowered, neither are they being protected. Industries such as entertainment and technology that are currently boosting our economy and empowering the youth are being frustrated, all under your regime. We are not all criminals and shouldn't be treated as such. If there is an increase in crime, it is as a result of increase in poverty. We honestly do not know the difference between the criminals and the law enforcement anymore. While there are clearly good people in the force, the bad ones are overshadowing them. The lack of value for human life in our country is disheartening and heartbreaking. This is the write-up from our Nollywood popular actress Genevieve Nnaji to Mr. President Muhammadu Buhari, telling him what he is not doing well and how the citizens, how the country is going down because of inappropriate administration from the president. My dear viewers, what do you think about this Genevieve's write-up, open letter to Mr. President? This is a woman, a young lady, an actress, telling a whole president of a country what he should do. What the president is not noticing, this young lady is noticing it and telling him the way to do it. Tomorrow now, some people will come and criticize her that she do not know what she's saying. Some will not speak just because they are afraid of their life. Well, I want you to leave your comment down below. What do you think about this write-up? For me, it's good. Let's chat there. Until we meet again, I would say bye-bye. I love you all. This is Linda's TV show, the home of news. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time or first day of coming across my YouTube channel or seeing my face, you are highly welcome. Please leave comments to my canal. My name is Linda Chukwueze. It comment as Miguel. That red button that says subscribe and you turn on the notification bell so that you'll be able to get information on the.
Bis zum nächsten Video und einen schönen Tag. Tschüss.
Tschüss. Bis man subscribe to Linda's TV show. What are you waiting for? click on that red button that says subscribe. You turn on the notification bell so that you'll be getting more updates from me. Leave your comment down below and share this video with your friends, families, and colleagues until we meet again in my next video. Bye bye.